Hello and welcome to a demo of Veridium ID. In this scenario, we will look at enhancing the user experience of a banking customer when they are logging into an online banking webpage. Now, traditionally, the way this is done, the user will be asked to enter a unique number, password, and maybe even a PIN to access their account. But using our Veridium ID solution, we can use a QR code to replace these passwords and PINs and allow for a more convenient method of logging in. To show you a demo of this, I will use a combination of a web page and my mobile phone, both connected to the Veridium ID platform, to perform a biometric authentication. If this authentication is successful, this will allow the user to access their bank account. On the left side of the screen, you can see the web page which we will use as an example of a bank's login page. On the right side, I am sharing the screen of my mobile phone where our Veridium ID Authenticator app is open and my banking customer profile exists. To start off the demo, I will go to the bank's online login page where I will be presented with a QR code. Using my mobile phone, I will then tap on my customer profile, choose the desktop login option, and scan the QR code that's presented to me. I will then be asked to perform a biometric authentication, in this case using the local biometric Touch ID. The successful biometric authentication on my phone is sent to the Veridium ID platform, which is then passed on to the web page, and as you can see, the online banking web page takes the customer to their banking account. When a user has logged into their banking account, one of the options they have is to transfer money between different accounts. As part of this online transfer, we can use the mobile phone of the user to perform a biometric authentication to enhance the security of the transfer. To demo this, I will click on the Transfer Funds button and transfer $10 between my business account and my savings account. As you can see, I will receive a push notification on my mobile phone to accept the transfer and use the Touch ID to confirm my identity. Again, this successful authentication will be sent back to the banking page via the Veridium ID platform, where the transfer will be successfully completed. We can further increase the security of the transfer, especially when dealing with high-value transactions, using step-up authentication. To demonstrate this, instead of sending only $10, this time I will send $10,000. As you can see, I will receive the same push notification as before to confirm the transactions. However, because it is a high-value transaction, instead of using the local biometric, it will request my proprietary 4-finger touchless ID solution. I simply put my hand in front, it will take a picture, process and match against the enrolled set on my banking customer profile. As you can see, it was a successful authentication. In this demo, we presented Veridium ID, our biometric authentication platform, in a customer banking use case. We demonstrated how the mobile phone of the user can be used as a biometric capability with the goal of replacing passwords and PINs to enhance security and user experience. We demonstrated how we can confirm someone's identity using the native biometric on the mobile phone to avoid using passwords as part of the authentication stage. We also presented our 4-finger touchless ID solution as part of the step-up authentication to enhance the security of a high-value transaction.